Hello YouTube, it's Josh2 back. We've been doing another video. And I'm just uploading my newest video, which I'm just gonna get it uploaded. Yeah, camera's off the side, there we go. So I'll find the tripod. Oh, it's over here. Boom, found it. Nice. Fire's gone. I've got the tripod. Here's my Kindle. There it is. I just need to get this on. I just need to get it over here. Just about to stop the video there. And then do this. Yeah, that's kind of a weird start. And just need to put the name in here. Name will be Disney, Crossy Road Challenge Part 2. So there we go. And I'm not going to put anything in the description. So, I think everything's good. So let's do it.
Where's Jen?
Oh, I'm serious. There's some. Wait. There's something here I want to read. Thumbnails will appear in this video from finished processing. Okay, this is uploading. Okay, so yeah, it'll be uploading. So we're just gonna set it here and shut it off. And Mix, would you like to open up one of those calendar? You know, the calendar thing. Wait, what day is it? The 5th. Yes, so it's the 5th. So right here. Got it. Right. So right.
We're going to be opening a Germany calendar.
Okay, so wait. So let's sit over here on this table.
So now we're going to open the first.
Wait, we need to get. Wait. Which one did you open? Which one was this? The second. Megan did not open the one. Oh wait, she did. Where's the second?
Is there chocolate? I opened it and that was it.
Wait. She opened. Okay, she hasn't opened everything. What?
So here's the 5th, guys. So we're going to do this.
That's not the 5th?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, this. So boom.
Get chocolate. Can I have that one? Can I?
Megan said she wanted it. Wait. Let me find the other one.
No, don't eat them.
4. Where's the 4?
I already opened the 4.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Where is that? Right here?
Okay.
Did you open up the second?
Yes.
I think this was the second one.
Here we go. I'll break it, Chica. Number 5.
We open it up. Tomorrow, open up another one. So yeah, that's really cool. And toss that up into the air. Set that up there. Boom. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll get a different one out of there. Say hi, Teak. Yeah. Over here, pretty warm. As you guys can see, it's a raging fire. Oh, that went big. What happened? You know what? If I open this up a little bit. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Fire. Yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting here in my butt on this.
Don't touch my dish.
Yeah, and there's Johnny over there. Drinking some milk. Yeah, Max, what you want to do? Megan said she wants to play Trouble.
It's like this. Only done one game night.
Yeah, and I did not upload it, I don't think. So yeah. car again. No matter what I do in the morning episode, you saw this car. Keep building. Let's see.
And they were using AK-47. To me, it's just very provocative.
Okay, Rubik's Cube. Oh, it's just halfway solved. You know what? Set the camera here. Let's try to solve this, shall we? Why is this thing not tightening? Okay, so I need a new tripod. Because this one won't seem to tighten anymore. Okay, I think that's good. So boom, got this. We got only one more side to go, so let's try to do it. Wait, you know what?
Very sad indeed.
Look at that little X-like thing in there. We turn it like that, I think. Yeah, you got X in there. Hey, tricky. Oh, well, I'm not gonna do it all. Wait.
After having a phone call with President Erdogan seemingly back down from his rhetoric against President Bashar al-Assad over Syria, but one must...
Got this full on purple, so yeah, that's good. What are we gonna be doing? Yeah. Hey, let me go get me some water. This camera, your makeup. Ooh, this is weird.
Look at my chicken! Yay!
Using the rain.
Chicken, chicken. Kittle, cuddle,
There we go. Done. So yeah, let's build chicken. So she's building a chicken with these things. That's here. No, that's what I've done. So Dad, what do you think about the snowboards?
The what?
The snowboards.
There's a good chance.
I could get one for Christmas?
There's a good chance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick which one I get for you.
Like which one?
I don't know.
I like that magma, like fire one, you know? That looks nice. So, yeah. Behind the tree.
This is smuggling immigrants into Europe.
Yeah. Nice. See, pushing me down. You know what? Maggie, can I have one of these little containers here?
Wait, to keep it?
Yeah.
Forever?
Yeah.
And ever?
Yeah.
No.
Which one?
0.
Please. Which color do you not like out of this one?
Next year.
Go out of this thing.
None.
You don't like this yellow? Yellow looks like banana poo.
Oh, I like all of them. And not, I don't.
You know what? I'm getting to take this out.
Good, do you need this?
No, I do not need that. Okay, let's get me a cup with some water in it. There we go. Okay. Do what I did with the water. My cup of water. There we go. We don't need that much. I want to see what happens.
I can pick up my clothes tomorrow.
There we go. Megs, you smeared it all over the table. Ugh. Wait, is this like stuff waterproof? What? Oh, I got it all over my pants now. Yes. Insane makeup.
I'm just, if I can or not, I don't care. Look, can I pick up my clothes tomorrow? Yes. What? Tomorrow, can I pick up my clothes for school? I go get for school?
Boom. Making progress. Wait, Megan, let me see your face for a sec. Or just your hand.
Hey, Dad,
Is that wet?
come here.
The powder? Not that wet. Okay, go wash it off. Here you go, Megs. Can you toss? Can you put this? Here, get the brush out of here and clean it off. So I need to end out the video. You know what? I'm going to end out the video with this stuff going down the toilet. Here's the toilet. There you go. Boom. Down the toilet, I guess. They can go. Okay, well, that's gonna be the end of this episode. Sorry it's really boring, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!